Good day everybody. Today we're going to be changing the brakes on a Zetor 6211. The left side has been already changed. As you see, we have the brake cylinder off here. We're going to be removing the right side now. Dropped the hook for better access, and lifted the lifting arms also, just to have more room under. Lifted the cab with the crane or engine hoist. Lifted the cab up so you can remove this bolt that's holding the cab, and just put a plate under here to hold up the cab, so we have the mount in free air now, so we can remove the axle. Yeah, I've already started. Took off some bolts that are hard to get off, or harder. I removed them. So now we're just gonna be removing the last ones. That's a little bit easier, that you can remove it. This impact gun. You need to remove all of this, because you have to remove the shaft that's going into the brakes. You have to remove. And now I need 17. There we have it. We're also going to be changing the cylinder, brake cylinder on this one. So I'm going to remove this one. Everything's coming apart now. Yes, this is gonna be changed out also. Keep care of that one. It comes in there. Yep, that's off. Now you have to remove this one, which is where this goes. Yeah, now we have to remove this, because this is going into the brakes, and the brakes are coming along with the axle out. So put double nuts on, tighten against each other, and we get the shaft out. Let's try. Now the shaft out. After this we'll be starting to remove. We need this long one. Have to have the brake assembly off. Take the pin out here. Washer. Take the lights for you. Yeah, pin out. Remove this one. It's easier when the brakes come out. You don't hit the shaft inside. Left one still in. This is a wire mashed together. And when this is shaft is coming out now, or the brakes assembly, it's gonna be dropping down. So when you mount it back, you can put it in like this. But then you have to usually put a pipe in or something to bend it up back again. So some more lift. So last bolt out. Yep, dropped a little bit. Dropped a little more. Such on. And here we have the brakes, and in here, and you have to drain the oil a little bit in the gearbox because the oil level is up here, so you have to drain the oil a little bit if you don't change it. The customer on this tractor asked us to change the oil, so we're going to be changing the oil, drew everything out of the gearbox, or drained. Yeah, so this is coming off. 4 bolts on this side because you have the differential lock on this side. The other side only had 3 bolts because it's a little bit simpler on that side. This is the sealant inside here. It's changed from inside, so you have to take off this side to change the sealant there. And the problem is it has been leaking oil out. The oil has come out on the brake discs. In the brakes, this has started to hang up, or when you hit the brakes it would hook the wheel and stop immediately the wheel. So let's take off these bolts and pull it apart, see how it looks inside. And here you can see oily, a little bit oily. See oil. All this should be dry. This goes outside. Brake. Okay, now it dropped. A couple of these. Yeah, here's the pin we took out. It comes in here, so that's why you have to remove that one. This is the inner one. This looks quite good. This one's good, but we're changing everything. Changing discs and these springs. We're changing new cylinder. So yeah. Let's throw this all in the washer and wash everything up and put it back together. Here you see some oil. So yeah, that's how you change the brakes on a Zetor 6211, or all the smaller Zetors are the same as this one. The bigger ones have the same braking discs, brake discs, but they're a little bit different style of axles. But we're gonna be pulling that apart, the big Zetor, in the summer here, in 1 month or 2 months. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe people, see you next time, bye.